Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change time zone in Mac. Click Apple icon. Click System Preferences. Click Date and Time. Click Time Zone. Click the lock to make changes. Type system password. Change your time zone. Time zone successfully changed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.